Vijaya Institute of Technology for Women, an ISO 9001:2015 certified institute, approved by AICTE and affiliated to JNTU Kakinada. Located at Enikepadu, Vijayawada. Vijaya Institute of Technology for Women under the umbrella of SRK Foundation. These institutes were founded by visionary leader, educationalist and industrialist B. Srinivasa Apparaugaru, Chairman of SRK Foundation, and B. S. Sri Krishna, Secretary of SRK Foundation. Vijaya family has the passionate, smart working, dedicated and qualified faculty team committed towards the ethical and professional growth of career of our students. The institution joined hands with APPSTEC, EDU Skills and many well-reputed academies and got the recognition as Best Valued Partner from ICT Academy in 2023-24. Apart from this, the NSS unit has strong base and received Best PO award in 2022-23. Vijaya was established in 2008 with an aim to empower women engineers, familiar as in single-gender educational institution in Vijayawada with secured and hygiene surroundings. The courses offered in B.Tech are Computer Science and Engineering, CSE, Data Science, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Information Technology, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. We offer Master of Business Administration as PG courses. We offer the diploma courses in Computer Engineering and Electronics and Communication Engineering. The students experience pleasant classrooms, enjoys learning by friendly faculty and exposes towards the corporate culture. The campus provides the advanced computer labs for CSE, AIML and IT students with AIML lab, data science lab, cloud computing lab, computer networking lab. The EC equipped with VLSI and IoT labs. We also have engineering physics and engineering chemistry laboratories in the first-year department. Diploma students are guided clearly about the devices and circuits by using the equipped laboratories. The institution is equipped with the well-established amenities like seminar halls, auditorium, playground along with the hostel and canteen facilities. The campus is ragging-free and Wi-Fi enabled and having transportation with 30 kilometers radius. There is a library with rich collection of academic books over 23,000 along with the journals and magazines. Training and placement team play a vital role in preparing students for seeking the employment skills through mock interviews, group discussions, company training programs, and make the students competent to reach the industry requirements. Our students were placed in various reputed organizations with high packages in various locations. Apart from the academics, we encourage our students in sports, service activities, and cultural events. We celebrate all the special days and also organize various industrial tours for gaining the practical exposure.